Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is the difference between after and async business rule in ServiceNow platform. So if you are working on any project, then you might be coming a lot of scenarios where you want to use after or you want to use async. So there is a very little difference between that one, but it's very important. Whenever you are dealing with the end user, you have to go for async, and if you are doing something which is internal, then you can go with the after. So it has got both the advantages and disadvantages, and which one is used extensively. Like if you are working on some real world projects, then whether it is feasible to use after or whether it is feasible to use async. So all the questions will be answered in this video. Please watch this video completely so that you will be getting the complete information. All right, so starting with I already created everything is just ready, and I will explain it step by step. Just try to understand this one. See, I have got one table called the incident table here, and another tab I have opened a problem table, and there are 27 problems currently in this one, and I have created a business rule here. You can see go to the business, and in under system definitions, just go to business rules, and you will be able to see a new button and click on that. I have made it as test 8, and I'm creating it on the incident table. Okay, so it is I'm creating for the incident table. All right, so after that, first I will show you what will happen if I select after. See, when to run, in that one I have already got four options here: before, after, async, and display. Display is whenever you are trying to show some information to the end user, that we have already discussed. And before is like you want to if someone is submitting a form, in that case you will be using before the user submit a form, you want to check the data validation. Okay, so that is the use cases for before and display. Now after and async, they are pretty much similar, but as I told, after is synchronous, that means it will be blocking the end user, and async is non-synchronous, so it will not block the UI for the end user. So how to do it, how to check it? First I will show you. I have selected as after, and in advanced I have written some script. Okay, so this is just commented section, just forget. uh, I'm just saying that add info message in IR section, this is also not necessary, but just to for my reference I am logging this. Okay, so after like that message, there is a timer. Okay, so for 10,000 milliseconds, that means 10 seconds. So if I selected if I select here after, then it will block the user interface for 10 seconds, and after that it's doing something here. Just I have created some example. In this case I'm creating a new record in the problem table, and I will just okay, new one. Okay, new one record. So this is new record which will be creating, and after that I'm writing like gr dot insert, so that it will insert. Now I'll just save this one first, and before executing I will just tell you what we are doing and what we can expect from this one. Okay, so see, this is after. Okay, so that means it will be blocking the user interface. So once I go to the incident table, and once I create a new incident in the incident table, then I should my interface should be blocked for 10 seconds, and then it should create one data or one incident in the problem table. So I will show you here. I will go to new, and caller, let's say system administrator, and a short description, let's say testing the after BR. We can write anything, just I'm writing this one. Okay, so now interesting stage is that once I right click here and once I click on save, my interface UI should be blocked for 10 seconds. I'm doing that one, clicked on save, and now you can see here my UI is blocked here. I can't do anything. I can't do anything, so it's just freezed here. So this is after. This is the effect of after 10 seconds it has again active, and you can see here whatever I have given in BR section is got printed. And if I go to here This still I have not refreshed this one. It's 27 only, and I should get a record saying new one record as the description. So I can just reload this form. Just observe that new record will be there. So you can see here new record added, new one record, and the count is now 28. So now you got an idea. If I choose after here, that means it will be blocking the user interface. Now I will do same thing, but instead of after, I will take async here, and everything will be same. Okay, everything. I will again go to this table and create one incident, and then without blocking my UI, it will be creating another incident in the problem table. So in order to demonstrate that, I will just click on save here so that I can show it to you. It actually works. And make sure that you have selected here, like, async. So I will just double check if it is selected async. Yeah, fine, async is selected. All right, so now I will go to this problem incident table, click on all, and again I will add a new incident in this one. Caller is, system administrator again, and after that short description is um, description for async operation. Okay, and now once I right click here and click on save, my UI should not be blocked, and I'm clicking on that, and immediately you can see I can interact it with. You can select the state, or you can do anything. I can scroll and do anything I want. So that means it is not asynchronous, or it will not be blocking the user until it creates another record, or until whatever job. In my case, I have just said that create new record, and in this one also you can, I just refresh this one, and within 10 seconds I will be getting new record here. And indeed you can see new record. It was previously 28 and now it got increased to 29. So this is the pretty much difference between what is async and what is after. So async will not be blocking the user, and after will be blocking the user. So this is the only difference, and very important difference. As an end user, you don't want your user interface to be blocked, or it will be considered as very bad experience in IT. Okay, so that's why whenever you are working on any real projects, or if you are creating something, I mean, in the real world, then you should go for async if you are specially trying to communicate or trying to interact with the end user. All right, so this is about the async business rule and after business rule in the ServiceNow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have got any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you have some suggestions, or if you have some feedback, then you can obviously give it in the comment section as well. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.